You okay, baby? You okay, honey? Who got the sneezies? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I hate when I get the sneezies. You okay? You okay, sweetheart? Daddy love girl. Look at those beautiful little sleepy eyes. Put the lantern down and give me some lovins. Oh, my baby. Probably when your hair's up your nose. I get them all the time. You know that? Your hair's up my nose, all and in my mouth, in my ears, in my eyes, every hole in my head. I'm constantly sucking in your hairs. Probably why you got the sneezies on. You got the sneezies, baby. Excuse me. They got the hiccups. You got the sneezies. Excuse me. All right. Bye bye.